Hi guys, I'd like to welcome you all to my channel. My name is Maru, okay? Just done with the workout. Welcome to my channel. I decided that I am going to be starting to count my calories, put more of my food, the food that I eat out there because, well, I can. If you're on a weight loss journey or you are on a health journey or whatever journey you are on, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's do it together. If you have a little bit of accountability and somebody that you can, you know, reach out to, I can be that person for you. And you can be that person for me because accountability is very important. So we can achieve our goals together. But if you're just here to support this weight loss journey, hit the subscribe button as well. I really appreciate it. Okay? This is just a journal showing that, hey, you can do it too if you want to. And later on, after I have achieved my goal, which I will, people can come back and look at the videos and see, oh, what was she eating? What was she doing? So this is all about that kind of situation. But I also share lifestyle videos on here. I also share travel vlogs, a little bit about my life as well. So it's not all about diet. I do all other things that I want to do. Honestly, accountability is everything. You know, and the people that have been subscribed to my channel, you guys are awesome. Now that we're back at it for good, we got a again. Let's carry on to the video. Let me know how you guys are doing down in the comments. It feels so good to see like the sweat after all the effort you have made, right? No? Is it just me? I can be alone. That feels happy. Like after you are done, you're like, thank God I got up that couch. Okay, like I didn't want to work out. Like I didn't want to do anything. But I'm so happy that I did and I actually got up and I chose to do this because hey, after seeing all, the sweat and all the effort that I have made, it's like, yes. A pat on the shoulder, a pat on the shoulder. So guys, join this weight loss journey. Let's get encouraged together. Let's do it together. Subscribe. If you just want to support, hit that subscribe button as well. I got this shake. It's not a shake. It's a protein mix that I'm going to be adding to my smoothie today. It's the chocolate one. So I'm going to be adding it, good morning, with bananas and everything. So here we go.
How are you?
Good morning. That's too sweet. I just added some banana, the protein powder, and almond milk, but it tastes a little bit sweet, but it will do. So I'm gonna have this overload on protein. I'm gonna have this, and when I get to work, I'm probably gonna have 2 eggs as well, and that will be enough for breakfast. Today I'm gonna be having a bowl of oatmeal. It's like I kind of switched my meals around, but I'm having a bowl of oatmeal and together with some almond milk and an apple. I wanted to carry some peanut butter and I completely forgot, and then there's no sugar in here, there's nothing in here, so it's just plain old oatmeal with some almond milk. Hi, so I'm gonna be making some stir fry for dinner tonight. I'm gonna make more than one serving, but then this is for one serving. Some rice, few eggs, some mixed, what do they call it? What is it? Come. Okay, I'm gonna be adding some soy sauce, some tuna, low sodium, this is sesame oil, not soy sauce. Low sodium soy sauce, and salt, of course, with black pepper. So let's make this for dinner today.